Allowance just drop, pero ubos agad? Sana pupunta yung pera mo? Di mo rin alam, no?
Archie, pwede ka mangutang? Meron ka bang savings?
Meron.
Sana all may savings.
Ilang utang mo?
Kawala, kahit
Ito lang meron.
okay na. Salamat.
Minsan, sweldo o allowance lang ang hinihintay, tapos wala na agad. Bakit? Kasi no one really teaches us how to handle money, right?
Financial literacy? Big words, pero simple lang. It's all about being smart sa pera mo. Paano ka gumagastos, paano ka nag-iipon, paano mo pinapahalagaan ang future mo. Lahat yan parte ng pagiging financially smart. Kung hindi mo alam gamitin ang pera mo, madali kang mangutang, ma-stress o mawalan.
Hala, wala pala akong allowance. Paano na kaya ito pangbayad ko sa boarding house? Tapos ulam ko pa. Tapos pangbayad pa sa mga projects.
Pero kung financially smart ka, you're in control, confident, and ready for life.
Kervin, merienda tayo.
Tara. Saan ba?
Jollibee.
Tara, meron pa naman akong savings.
Tara.
Tara.
Here are some tips kung paano maging financially smart.
Tip number 1, budget your money.
Tip number 2, track your spending.
Kahit 20 pesos pa yan, kailangan kong isulat.
Number 3, save first, not last.
Tip number 4, think before you buy.
Tip number 5, learn continuously.
How to create a monthly budget quickly to find out how much you can afford to spend. First, write down your monthly income, let's say $3,000. Now start writing down your expenses for most of the month, which you can spend without going into debt. How to create a monthly budget quickly to find out how much you can afford to spend.
Paano mo hinahandle ang pera mo? Gastos ba agad o may plano? Dati, swipe agad kahit sale. Pero ngayon, I make sure budgeted before checkout. May tip ka ba para sa mga student na laging short ang budget?
Yap, gumagamit ako ng notes app to track my gastos. Kahit piso, isusulat dapat.
Anong biggest money mistake mo dati?
Yung bili ako ng piyesa ng motor, hindi ko na mamalayan, uubos na pala ang pera ko.
So, paano ka nag-iipon kahit maliit lang yung allowance?
Nag-iipon ako dahil ang pera sa pakansya. Tatawag ko per pound, kahit piso-piso lang, at least naipon ako.
Anong advice mo sa mga estudyante gusto maging financially smart?
Start small, start now, kahit tag 10 pesos lang, may consistent at may marami.
Being financially smart doesn't mean bawal gumastos. It means marunong ka. Control your money before it controls you.
Maging wise, maging ready, maging financially smart.
We're choosing to be smart with our money.
And we want you to come with us.
Let's break the broke students' habit together.
Let's budget, save, and spend with purpose starting now.
It's time to level up. Join us on journey.
Be financially smart because money matters.
Money matters. Money matters.
Money matters.
Money matters. Learn it